Hello and welcome to IndianExpress.com. The Income Tax Department has concluded its first investigation under Operation Clean Money and launched criminal prosecution against a Mumbai-based high-end electronic goods trader for allegedly depositing over 3.29 crore rupees post-demonetisation in his bank account, which was opened using an illegal permanent account number. According to court documents accessed by the Indian Express, the department has alleged that Lakhbir Singh Bhatti obtained a second PAN card with a different name and address, opened an account in a public sector bank using the new PAN card, and deposited 3.29 crore rupees in 10 cash transactions that were executed by his employees after November 15th. It alleged that Bhatti was acting on the advice of a loan syndicator. The tax authority has also alleged that these cash deposits were later transferred to a Zaveri Bazaar-based jeweler through RTGS for buying gold. For more news and updates, log on to IndianExpress.com.